Okay, we're driving home right now. I've got home programmed in the navigation, and I wanted to show you how to engage and disengage FSD Beta. So to engage FSD Beta, I take this stalk and I press it down twice. You got to make sure that you're alert. You got your two arms on the steering wheel, and to tell if it's on, you know that the max is blue. There's a number here right next to speed limit that says blue, and then the steering wheel is also blue. So that means that Autopilot and Autosteer are engaged, and it'll just follow the lanes. It'll center in the lane. It'll follow the speed limit. It'll identify stop lights, stop signs, and it'll basically drive you as if it was a semi-autonomous vehicle. In order to disengage it, you have to know how to disengage it. One way to disengage it is to just hit the brakes. See, once I hit the brakes, those two blue marks disappear. And then I can re-engage it here. See, now it's driving it back again. Another way to disengage it is actually to take the steering wheel and drive it. So like, watch this. I'm going to take the steering wheel and I'm going to take control. See? So that took control of the car. Now, the third way to disengage is to take the stalk and lift it up twice. See that? So that disengaged it by lifting it twice. So those are three ways to disengage it. Now I'm in the wrong lane right now because I've been fooling around with it. I'm gonna take it right now. The other ways to disengage FSD Beta is if you arrive at your destination, then the car will eventually just pull over to the side and stop. And you know, the other way to disengage it would be to break the rule. So for example, if I'm not paying attention, you'll see a blinking warning here, or if I'm not holding the steering wheel, you'll see a blinking warning. And that's not a good way to disengage it, because you can have a strike. You're only allowed to have 3 strikes before you get knocked out of FSD for 1 week, and that'll be really painful. You don't want to do that. So anyways, let me re-engage FSD Beta, and now it's just driving us home. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. There's a lady coming out of the car right now. What happened? Why did it just flash the windows?